Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, September 13th. Time is around 6:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. I believe we are working here on this corrective wave Y, also unfolding as a WXY structure. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I just focus here on this part. And so, yeah, I was expecting first that we would take out this high. Excuse me. And so this happened, and then I also told you this structure looks incomplete. We at least need one more high, and this also happened. We took out this high here marginally, but yeah, we took it out, and that's enough. And from there, then we had some push down. And so now the question is, yeah, what will happen from here? And so, yeah, like for the FTSE, we actually have enough, I would say. This could be the correction. It's actually a similar situation as the DAX. If you also watch my videos on the DAX, it looks like the European indices are ready. Like the correction up can be finished. We have everything that we should have, but the US indices favor more upside. So therefore, in my primary scenario on the European indices, I also take the scenario with more upside as my primary scenario, and the scenario that would assume downside as my secondary scenario. But so I think it's important to know that in the European indices, this structure up can be finished. So let me explain. So here also for the FTSE, like we had this upward channel. It looks like we are breaking here. If we do this, could mean the start of a downward channel. So this is actually in favor of the here of the scenario in red, the scenario that assumes that yeah, the correction here to the upside is complete. Then on the 1 hour, it would look like this here. So I would count it as a WXY. So here in red, wave W, wave X down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then here, yeah, we actually have perfect reaction here. Also this WX down. Like I said, we first took out this high. This was necessary to have this Y correction. Then I told you this structure here looked incomplete. So, and then we also took out this high here. And so now, so as you can see, it was very marginally, but we took it out. So now we actually have a complete structure as a WXY. We are also breaking this RSI trend line here in the 1 hour, which could be an indication that we start a downward cycle from here. So something like this. So it looks like we have everything that we should have, like to have a complete correction here, WXY as indicated in red. But what could happen is that again, like this part is just the first part of the correction. So just like we had something similar like we had here, like as you can see, this was also like a corrective leg up, could have been finished here, but we got the second leg, as you can see, and actually the same can happen here. This is yeah, this is difficult to forecast. This corrective legs like an impulse. When it is over, it is over. You clearly see it, but um, like a corrective leg can always get a second corrective leg, and so taking into account that this here is actually our target area. Now we cannot go beyond this high, but so this, if we take the length of our wave W or length of our wave X, then this here becomes our target area. So I would expect that we get closer to this area. We don't have to reach it. Like I told you, we already have enough, but we could get closer. So if I take this into consideration, and yeah, the fact that it looks like that the US indices also needs more upside, then I would favor here also more upside. And I take in my primary scenario, like I would assume a second corrective leg here. So then a bit a similar structure like we had here. So this is enough WXY, but it could be, so what we can see now is yeah, this push down, or even like 1 2 3, and then again 1 2 3 up. So closer to this area, closer to this boundary here, and so then this move up would also align with a move up in the US indices. So a bit a difficult situation for the European indices. So at the one hand, the DAX and the FTSE look look ready. They have everything that the upward correction should have. But because of because I expect another move up in the US indices, I would also expect another corrective leg here, both in the FTSE and in the DAX. But I have to stress it can be finished here. So yeah, we have to see what the market gives us. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.